We're going to begin by learning how to set up the formula for the area between two curves and to choose whether to integrate with respect to x or with respect to y. When you're given two curves and you need to find the area between them, you're going to sum up an infinite number of rectangles with height f of x minus g of x and width dx, or with height dy and width f of y minus g of y. Summing up an infinite number of rectangles from A to B or from C to D is the same as integrating from A to B of f of x minus g of x, or integrating from C to D of f of y minus g of y. I think these formulas for the area between two curves are easier to remember if you write them as yt minus yb, that stands for the curve on the top minus the curve on the bottom, times dx, or x sub r minus x sub l, that's the curve on the right minus the curve on the left, times dy. To make things easier, I've written down 4 steps that we can follow to find the area between two curves. The first thing that you want to do is to find the points where the two curves intersect. To do this, all you're going to do is take the two curves, set them equal to each other, and solve for x. The second step is to graph the region. You'll graph the intersection points and then the two curves. Step 3 is to choose a formula. That's probably the hardest step. You'll have to choose between one of the two formulas that we just went over. This process gets easier as you work through more examples. The last step then is to just evaluate the definite integral, and you'll get a number which is equal to the area between the two curves.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.